In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on the Ticketmaster app. Once you've installed the app on your phone, go ahead and open it. When the app launches, look for the option to sign in or create an account. Since you're setting up a new profile, tap Create Account to begin. If you see a sign-in screen first, don't worry. There's usually a clear link there to start the account creation process. Next, you'll be asked to enter your personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, and password. In some cases, the app may also ask for your country or region, so just select the correct option if it appears. As you create your password, it's a good idea to choose one that's strong and unique. Try to avoid reusing a password from another website or app, since that helps keep your account more secure. After that, the app may ask you to verify your phone number. Enter your mobile number, then wait for a text message with a verification code. Once you receive it, type that code into the app to confirm your number. This step is important because it helps protect your account and can also make mobile ticket access smoother later on. From there, you'll need to review and accept the terms of use and the privacy policy. Take a moment to read through them if you'd like, then accept them and submit your registration. This completes the main part of the sign-up process. In some cases, Ticketmaster may also send a verification email. If that happens, open your email inbox and look for the message from Ticketmaster. Click the verification link inside the email if requested. Once that's done, return to the app and sign in to continue. After your account is active, it's a smart idea to complete your profile so future purchases are quicker and easier. Open the My Account section, then add your payment method if you want faster checkout later. You should also confirm that your phone number and email are correct and take a quick look through your account settings to make sure everything is up to date. That's it. Your Ticketmaster account should now be ready to use. Taking a few extra moments to verify your details and finish your profile can save you time when you're ready to buy tickets, especially for high-demand events where speed matters.